Stuck in the same routine? In this countdown of 30 clever Amazon gadgets, we'll ride a fast emotion cycle, from small daily wins to a finale you won't see coming. We preview the climax up front. Our number one pick rewires how you handle routine tasks. Each pick is relatable, with on-page videos. You'll know what it is, how it works, why it matters, then meet the twist at the top. Number 30. Wyze Cam V4. A budget-friendly cam with premium perks, sharp 2.5K video, color night vision, motion-activated spotlight, and a built-in siren. Two-way audio lets you check in with family or pets, and it's rated for indoor or outdoor use, ideal for porches, apartments, and studio spaces. Works with Alexa and Google, supports local microSD recording, and plugs into existing setups in minutes. If you want reliable security without subscription shock, this little square covers a lot of ground. Number 29. Anker 25,000 mAh Laptop Power Bank. Less cable chaos, more charging. This slim bank hides two built-in USB-C cables, one retractable, to travel lighter and plug in instantly. With multiple outputs, you can power up to 4 devices at once, from phones and tablets to handheld consoles. The capacity is weekend trip friendly, and Anker's protection tech helps keep everything safe while fast charging. It's the do-it-all backup for creators, commuters, and travelers who want fewer dongles and more juice on demand. Number 28. Ninja Creamy Deluxe. From protein pints to decadent desserts, Creamy Deluxe turns frozen bases into silky ice cream, gelato, sorbet, and more at the touch of a button. Multiple programs simplify results, and the upgraded processor handles mix-ins without turning everything icy. Toss the containers in the dishwasher when you're done. It's a social media favorite for good reason. You control ingredients and texture, so healthier treats or late-night indulgence are always in reach. Families and fitness folks both win here. Number 27. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Cinematic footage, pocket size. Pocket 3 pairs a 1-inch sensor with a 3-axis gimbal for crisp 4K 120 recording and excellent low-light detail. The 2-inch rotatable touchscreen flips for vertical or horizontal shots, and face object tracking keeps subjects framed while you move. Add in fast autofocus and creator-friendly accessories, and you've got a grab-and-go cam that outperforms phones when the light gets tricky. Perfect for travel, reels, and YouTube, where smoothness and clarity sell the story. Number 26. Insta360 Geo 3S 128GB 4K Tiny Action Cam. A thumb-sized 4K camera that mounts anywhere. Caps, collars, dashboards, or the included accessories for hands-free POV. Insta360's stabilization smooths bumps, while voice control and Apple Find My support keep it easy and secure. It's waterproof to 10mm for pool clips, and the long life setup makes daily vlogs practical. For creators who want dynamic shots without a huge rig, this is a creative powerhouse that hides in plain sight and captures life from fresh angles. Number 25. Anker 737 Powerbank Laptop Class Power in your pocket. With 140 DOE two-way USB-C charging PD 3.1, this bank can juice MacBooks and flagship phones fast, and recharge itself quickly too. Multiple ports let you top up a phone and earbuds while keeping your notebook alive on flights. The capacity stays airline-friendly, and the build feels solid enough for daily carry. If you create on the move or hate low battery anxiety, this is the reliable, high-output pack you'll reach for first. Number 24. Lamicall Bike Phone Holder. Lock in your phone and ride. Lamicall's mount grips each corner with a secure clamp and shock-absorbing pads, then adds a red safety switch so bumps don't shake it loose. Rotate 360 degrees for portrait maps or landscape stats, and adjust angles on the fly. It fits most handlebars and modern phones with cases, making it a commuter and weekend warrior staple. Whether you're navigating city streets or tracking miles on the trail, this is the simple way to keep directions visible and steady. Number 23. BLACK+DECKER Dustbuster CHV1410L Handheld Vacuum. The household MVP for crumbs, pet hair, and car seats. This cordless handheld vacuum is light, easy to grab, and includes a flip-up brush and crevice tool for edges, vents, and upholstery. A translucent, bagless bowl makes it simple to see when it's time to empty, and the charging base keeps it topped up between quick cleanups. For apartments, dorms, or busy families, it's the always-ready fix that saves dragging out a full-size vacuum for small messes. Number 22. Revlon One-Step Volumizer. Plus salon blowouts from your bathroom. The Plus edition uses a slimmer 2.4-inch barrel and detachable head for easier root lift, flips, and storage. Ionic and ceramic tech help smooth frizz and boost shine, while multiple heat settings, including cool, let you dial in volume or sleekness. It's the classic time saver. Dry in style in a single pass with fewer tools on the counter. If you're after quick, consistent results before work or a night out, this brush earns a permanent spot. Number 21. Electric Scalp Massager Hair Growth Brush. If you prefer vibration over manual scrubbing, this rechargeable brush adds 3 intensity levels and IPX6 water resistance for shower-friendly use. The silicone tips provide a soothing buzz that helps relax tight scalp muscles while you shampoo or apply serum. An ergonomic shape keeps your grip steady, and the portable size makes it easy to toss in a gym or travel bag. It's a low-effort upgrade for self-care routines, especially when you want a consistent powered massage without arm fatigue. Number 20. HEETA Scalp Massager. Turn hair washing into a mini spa moment. The HEETA brush uses soft silicone bristles to gently exfoliate your scalp, boost lather, and help distribute shampoo or treatment evenly. It's comfortable to hold with wet hands and safe for daily use, whether you're relaxing in the shower or doing a dry massage to unwind. Great for reducing product buildup and tension, it leaves your scalp cleaner and your routine more enjoyable. Simple, affordable, and surprisingly addictive once you feel the tingle. Number 19. Joseph Pocket Folding Tabletop Ironing Board. A smart, space-saving board that hides in plain sight. Pocket folds down compactly, mounts on a wall for easy grab and go, and unfolds into a stable ironing surface with an integrated iron holder. The cover fits taut to prevent snagging, and the footprint is ideal for quick pressing or small laundry rooms. When you're done, it slides back into its wall bracket to free up precious floor space. For renters and tiny homes, it's a sleek solution that keeps chores lightweight and organized. Number 18. RAINHOL Metal Foldable Tabletop Ironing Board. Pressed for space, this compact board folds nearly flat and tucks into closets or under beds, then pops open for quick shirt touch-ups or full ironing sessions. A sturdy metal surface stays stable on tables and counters, while the padded cover helps your iron glide without snags. It's sized for apartments, dorms, sewing corners, and laundry nooks, with a damped hinge that keeps it neatly shut in storage. Simple, portable, and reliable. Exactly what you want from a no-fuss ironing setup. Number 17. LG StanbyME 27. Portable Touchscreen Monitor. A big screen experience that follows you around the house. StanbyME packs a 27-inch touch display on a rolling stand with a built-in battery. Swivel, tilt, rotate, and wheel it from bedroom to kitchen. Stream, mirror, or browse without tying up your TV, and flip to portrait for vertical video. It's an easy way to create a mobile workstation or binge station with premium aesthetics. If you live in a compact space or love flexible setups, this is the showpiece screen that adapts to your day. Number 16. WLIVE 39. Lift Top Coffee Table. This lift top coffee table sneaks in storage and function without crowding your space. Pop the top to bring your laptop or dinner to a comfy height, then tuck remotes, chargers, and clutter inside the hidden compartment. An open lower shelf keeps books and baskets within reach. The mechanism lifts smoothly and stays stable, so you can work or snack without wobbles. It's a small room win, one piece that handles lounging, working, and tidying with a clean, modern look. Number 15. Vitamix FoodCycler FC50. Reduce food waste with a compact recycler that dries, grinds, and cools scraps into a dry, low-odor output, often in a single evening. The carbon filter lid minimizes smells while the 2L bucket collects peels and leftovers between runs. It's simple to operate, easy to clean, and ideal for apartments or winter months when outdoor composting stalls. A practical, kitchen-friendly step towards sustainability. Number 14. Reencle Prime Indoor Composter. A larger, whisper-quiet indoor composter that uses microorganisms to break down food waste. The 14L capacity handles up to 2.2 PETLIBRO per day, and the odor control design keeps kitchens fresh while it works continuously in the background. Great for families or anyone cooking often, it's a low-effort path to cutting trash and creating usable material for plants. Set it, forget it, and watch your waste footprint shrink. Number 13. Lomi 1 3L Electric Composter. Turn kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich material in under a day. Lomi's countertop recycler simplifies waste with single-button operation, multiple cycles, and a 3L bucket sized for everyday cooking. It's designed for odor control and easy cleanup, helping apartments and small homes reduce trash while creating gardener-friendly output. If you want a greener routine without backyard composting, this is the tidy, techie way to start. Number 12. BOSCH Blaze GLM123. Laser Measure. Measure rooms like a pro. The GLM123 shoots accurate distances up to 100 feet with precision to +1 16-inch. A clean 2-button layout keeps it simple, one for measuring, one for rounding. And the backlit display is easy to read in dim spaces. It's compact, reliable, and perfect for DIY makeovers, studio setups, and gear room planning, where a tape measure struggles. Bosch's Blaze line is trusted for durability and accuracy you can count on. Number 11. LOOI AI Desktop Robot. A desktop companion built for connection. LOOI combines ChatGPT voice interaction, memory, and personality with face, gesture recognition to feel more responsive over time. It can offer light emotional support, recognize you, and even includes a 10W wireless charging pad to top up your phone while it keeps you company. For late-night edits or study grinds, it's a cheerful presence that makes your desk smarter and more human. Number 10. EMOPET AI Desk Robot Companion, an interactive robot that chats, listens, and dances. EMOPET integrates ChatGPT-enabled voice commands to answer questions, react to music, and keep you company during long work sessions. It's designed with playful routines and expressive animations that make your desk feel lively, and it's simple to control by voice or touch. If you want a tiny assistant with big personality, this is a delightful conversation starter for your workspace. Number 9. Loona Robot Pet. Meet the animated desk buddy that feels alive. Loona uses AI for voice and gesture control, reacts in real time, and even supports home monitoring when you're away. It rolls, explores, and charms with expressive eyes and playful behaviors, then docks to recharge. For creators, students, and families, it's a fun mix of smart tech and personality that turns break time into interaction time and adds futuristic flair to any setup. Number 8. EPICKA TA105 Pro 70W GAN Universal Travel Adapter. One compact brick for 200 plus countries. This GAN travel adapter covers US, EU, UK, AU outlets and fast charges laptops, tablets, and phones with up to 70 Ws via USB-C. You also get 3 USB-C and 2 USB-A ports to power 5 devices at once. Perfect for hotels and airports. Built-in 10A fuse, safety shutters and certification, FCC CE/ROHS, add confidence on the road. It's the Packlight, charge everything solution for creators and frequent flyers. Number 7. SwitchBot Curtain 3. Clip it on, tap the app, and your curtains go smart in seconds. Curtain 3's upgraded motor glides smoothly on most rod types, and with a SwitchBot hub, it works with Alexa, Google Home, and HomeKit for voice and automations. Set timers to wake with sunlight or close at dusk, and use Bluetooth control when Wi-Fi is out. Quiet operation keeps bedrooms serene, while renter-friendly installation means no drilling or wiring, just instant convenience. Number 6. PETLIBRO. Automatic cat feeder with camera feed, watch, and talk, all from your phone. This smart feeder adds a 1080p camera with night vision, motion/sound alerts, and two-way audio, so you can verify meals and check on your cat anytime. 5G Wi-Fi connectivity, anti-blockage sensors, and low food alerts keep feedings consistent. Schedule portions to manage diet and reduce mess with the single tray design. It's peace of mind for busy owners and perfect for keeping routines steady when you're away. Number 5. Etekcity Digital Luggage Scale. Avoid surprise fees at the airport with a compact scale that reads up to 110 kilo, 50 kiloliters in seconds. The bright digital display is easy to read, and the sturdy strap handles everything from carry-ons to bulky checked bags. Simple, reliable, and travel-proof. Toss it in your backpack and weigh before you wheel to check in. Trusted by millions of travelers, it's the tiny tool that pays for itself the first time it saves you from an overweight charge. Number 4. AFMAT Electric Air Duster. When you need sustained power, go corded. This electric air blower spins up to 40,000 RPM and delivers over 15 kPa of pressure to blast out dust in seconds. PCs, servers, workbenches, and car interiors. No refills, no propellants, just continuous high-output airflow. It's a durable, eco-friendly alternative to disposable cans and ideal for deep cleaning days, when battery tools tap out. Add the included nozzles for precision targeting in vents and crevices. Number 3. AFMAT Cordless Air Duster, Ditch Canned Air, Forever. This rechargeable duster packs a 6,000 mAh battery for up to 30 minutes of cleaning, blowing dust from keyboards, consoles, lenses, and vents with strong, focused airflow. USB charging means you top it up like a phone, and the reusable design saves cash and reduces waste over time. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's easy to aim into tight spaces for quick, satisfying cleanups, at home, in the studio, or on the go. Number 2. Dreo Cruiser Pro T1 Tower Fan. A sleek 42-inch tower fan that moves air up to 30 feet while staying whisper quiet at 28 dB, great for bedrooms and offices. Choose from 6 speeds, 4 modes, 12-hour timer, and a wide 90-degree oscillation to blanket the room in even airflow. The minimalist remote and clear display make adjustments effortless, and the bladeless design is kid and pet friendly. It's the practical upgrade that keeps you cool without the bulk or noise of a box fan. Number 1. Govee Gaming Light Bars Pro. Level up your setup with 16-inch light bars that glow on 3 sides for a 3D cyberpunk vibe. RGBI tech unlocks 16M colors, 60+ scenes, and ultra-smooth music sync from the built-in mic. They're Matter-ready and work with Alexa Google for hands-free scenes and schedules. For on-screen color match, use Govee Desktop, Windows, plus DreamView integration for multi-device light shows. A weighted base keeps placement easy, no drilling, just drop and glow. Perfect for streamers, gamers, and mood lighting. That wraps our countdown of 30 clever Amazon gadgets, each chosen for real utility and on-page videos you can watch before buying. If this helped you discover a new favorite, tap. Like so more people see it. Share with a friend who loves smart gear, and subscribe with notifications on. We've got another surprise-packed list coming next week. Don't miss it. See you in the next one.